I love your picture, babe.
Yeah, I know.
You do? It's so pretty.
Maybe right back. You try, Mama.
Can I try with mine? I'll do some more dots. Ready? Dots.
No, let's do the Lion game.
The Lion King.
The Lion game.
That is cool. I think they do paint in the Lion King, don't they? Doesn't like Rafiki paint or something?
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, no.
Oh, sorry. I think I messed that
Booty.
up. What?
We get a booty.
That's for the birds when we see them. Do you see any birds?
No.
Me either. We gotta wait patiently for the birds.
Grandma?
Yeah, can you wait patiently? Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you want to keep it on your leg? Good job. I bet you Daddy's gonna really like your painting.
Yeah.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Are you listening? We don't want to scare the birds away. Yeah, we gotta be really quiet.